Hi, really quickly in this video, I want to talk about pathways we go through for dopamine. So first of all, we use tyrosine to make dopamine and also a couple of other neurotransmitters. And that's because tyrosine is an amino acid. You need it to make protein, so it's found in your cells. With tyrosine hydroxylase, we will then create L-DOPA, sorry about covering that. And then we will also create dopamine with a different enzyme. It's probably less important. Tyrosine hydroxylase is actually a rate-limiting step, so it's a little bit more important to know. Dopamine can then be packaged into vesicles and excreted, and you can do all the sorts of things you do with a neurotransmitter. So you have a receptor over here in this postsynaptic neuron. The important thing to keep in mind here, though, is that you don't want dopamine to accrue sort of here in the synapse. That's how drugs like cocaine or some other drugs will actually have their effect, is by keeping this dopamine in the synapse. And remember, it's not taken in by this receptor here, it just turns on the receptor. And so we'll actually want to have a dopamine reuptaker that lets dopamine back in, or it can either be degraded by monoamine oxidase, or it can be repackaged into vesicles if it's needed. And so drugs like cocaine, what they'll do is they'll actually target this protein right here and keep that from doing its job so that dopamine accumulates. What that'll mean is there'll be sort of a constant dopamine effect on this neural circuitry.